Hi, how are you? It's Ching. We're going to continue going into the harmonize with the nature's Qi. So Qi is me energy. The nature has amazing, abundant energies. Shows up through the right season, day, night, and earthquake, right? Tornado, all this stuff is the energy continue, the weather we call it, right? Keep changing. So us too, and since the TCM, in Qigong theory that we talk about, there's three big power, right? So the heaven and the human, right? And the earth. So pretty much I'm just have you think about this us is a small universe. We're living in this grand universe. So how are we gonna harmonize with it? And is that fight a battle or destroy or try to control it, right? Because I know I haven't met a person that can control the weather. So it's, it's we need to take care of these little ones, right? So our small universe are more important. So once you take care of yourself, you know how to create, your life, healthy thinking, and healthy career, and friendships, all this stuff that's important around you to keep this so we can harmonize the nature. So pretty much with nature, I'm just using the north, south, east, and west, heaven and earth, okay? So put that all together, we're gonna harmonize. So if you first time join us, welcome. I'm going to teach the part 2 of the Harmonize with Nature's Qi today. So you say, I don't know, I haven't done part 1. So the end screen will be the part 1, you can look. But we already done 2 movements with some of the theory supported. So today I'm going to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th movement. So the Harmonized Nature's Qi is one of the contemporary Qigong that I have developed. Altogether, there are 5 sets. So I'm break it down for you little by little. This is the second set. The first one was some, you can look at more if you want. Go into my channel. It's called a spiral breathing. The second one is which we're going to do today, has 7 movements because what? The gray universe is much bigger. So we have 7 movements we try to connect to. So this is the second set of the contemporary Qigong developed by me. Okay, I'm going to go right to it now. So I'm bend my knee. I'm going to take my leg out to, we call it horse stance. Another nice word I call it spiritual triangle. So that spiritual triangle consists, and when you don't just want to stay there like a pyramid, but come alive, right? So what the 3 fundamental focus in this position and practice Qigong, okay? First one is rooting. Oh, you have to root, otherwise you fall right away, right? Rooting will help you to learn have a better balance. So the rooting is first. Spine movement support by the reverse abdominal breathing. So 3 things: rooting, spine movement, and reverse abdominal breathing. You're going to see all that. So I'm going to go right to the movement. Then I can connect for you from the first movement to the 5th movement. Okay, so ready? I find my spiritual triangle. My hands goes to, we'll call it girdle bell, Wuji position, no extremity. No extremity. So you feel like you fit your part of the air. You're just part of being all here. Here we go. Inhale, pelvic floor, tummy. Tummy in, right, moving the spine. I'm leading with the wrist. Exhale, push the right leg, right side external obliques, rotate you to the left. Inhale again, tummy, you send the energy out through the fingertip, like a searchlight all the way around, lift the wrist. Exhale, return. So your breath become longer now, inhale. Exhale, going. Here comes inhale. Inhale, reaching fingers up. And exhale, return. So 2 set of breath. Inhale. On the exhale, you push and settle the spine. Root down more. Inhale again, pelvic floor, tummy. Send the energy out, lifting the wrist. And exhale, nice and tall. Inhale again, work together, soften the elbow. Exhale, twist the body, don't drop that knee. Push the arch foot's lifted. Inhale again, finger, wrist, pelvic floor comes in. Exhale, release, nice and tall. Let's do one more set. Inhale. On the exhale, stand tall, back to neutral, reaching out. Inhale, finger, wrist, leading the pelvic floor. And exhale, back to center. So getting a little trickier now, right? Inhale. So I'm going to connect from the east. Inhale to the west. We'll harmonize together so it stays just up and down, side to side. Because it's a wave movement. Okay, you ready? We're going to go into the fourth movement. Ready? Inhale. Sometimes to think too. Exhale all the way up. Guess what? We're going to connect to the heaven. Inhale, finger lift, wrist, pelvic floor. And exhale. Ready? Inhale. It's the fourth movement. Exhale, go. Sink down. Feel like you're holding your palm that are going to connect to the heaven. Inhale. The big, big grand universe. The most powerful is the weather, right? Season change. Inhale, exhale. The weather change, the season change. Inhale. The day change. And one more time. Inhale, so we added the thoracic spine extension. The thoracic spine extend. You look up, see how long my neck is? Right? I'm using neck muscle, hold myself. Inhale, finger reaching wrist, hollow your tummy. Exhale, nice and tall. Let's do that one more time. Inhale again. Exhale, strong, growing the root so you can grow taller. Inhale, finger wrist. And exhale, return. Last movement today, inhale. I'm going to connect the north and the south through me. Inhale. And exhale. So harmonize, creating, connecting all together the north and the south. Don't drop that knee. Inhale. And exhale, nice and tall. Qigong is so beautiful. It can, right? It really gonna improve your balance. Exhale, rotate the torso. Inhale, pelvic floor, tummy. The body comes back and nice and tall. Inhale again. Exhale, as you push down, you rotate the torso. Inhale. And exhale, nice and tall. Let's do one more set. Inhale. I'm connecting the north, south, but I'm not dropping. If I use this side push, right side, push you to the opposite side left so you can't collapse, okay? Nice and tall. Inhale and exhale. So your leg connect to the Mother Earth. Exhale, so you root it down, so strong. So your spine feels real strong. Your spine is softly creates movement. So that's today's lesson. Third movement, fourth movement, and the fifth one. Let's go from the beginning now. Okay, so you ready? This is last week. We'll put it together. Here we go. Wuji position to start out. Inhale. Your front will kind of refer to that as your north. It doesn't matter which direction you are. It's just for practice purpose, right? Exhale. If you're out there in your home, you can definitely find the north first. And exhale, reaching out the palm, right? The Lao Gong point. Now continue reach out the finger. We do 4 each. Inhale. And exhale, nice and tall. 2 more. Inhale. Beautiful spine movement, so soft, so alive. It's flexible and strong. Inside the spine. Last one here is your cerebral spinal fluid. And that's the fountain of the youth. Inhale again and exhale. We love to be useful, right? So here we go. Second one, inhale. That was north. Now go to east and west. Right and the left. Reaching out so wide. Exhale, return. Inhale again, pelvic floor, tummy. And exhale, reaching out. Inhale. You can practice indoor with this first. In the winter time too, inhale, stay inside. You have a lot of inside exercise. Inhale. And exhale, nice and tall. Inhale again. Once you practice, you got all this great balance. Take it out outside when the spring, summer comes. In the fall, right? Practice outside, really feel the nature. You ready? We're going to today's movement. Inhale, exhale, rotate. Connect the west to east and return, come back. So you're harmonizing. Inhale, exhale, rotate. Inhale, leading finger, wrist, pelvic floor, tummy. Exhale, return. Inhale again. Exhale, push from the right leg, right external oblique, palms out. Inhale, searchlight through the finger, wrist, pelvic floor, tummy. Exhale, yes, the breath got longer, right? So deeper and longer. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Comes back, exhale. Let's just do one more set. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last side, inhale. You can find other videos I have that I did this out in the nature. And exhale from last year, 2020. Inhale. You ready? What we're gonna do now? Yes, so ready? Inhale. See if you remember. Exhale. Heaven. Inhale. The powerful weather. Inhale. Sometimes we can call the God. Sky. Inhale. Harmonize the heaven and the earth through us. Inhale. So we're a small universe. Us connect with the great universe. Inhale. And exhale. So the universe, the grand universe, the nature is by strengthening us, make us have much stronger mind, stronger body, because it's not always the same temperature throughout the year. Last one, inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So you ready? Last one today, inhale. I'm going to harmonize, connecting the north to the south. Inhale. Like I said, all this rotation and moving, challenge your balance. You balance so much better. Your world is opened up more because you can go places now. Exhale again, return. We're part of nature, so cannot not connect to the nature. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Root it down so your spine feels free to grow and move. Inhale. Rooting strong. Last set. Inhale. Push forward, back, rotate the body, spiral up. Inhale. And exhale again. So making that, right, your fountain of the use, that fountain. Movement, keep moving. If anything not moving, sickness comes in. And exhale. You ready? When you're finished, so you turn both palm up. You rotate the palm down and open. Do that one more time. So you gather everything, come to you. So you go, come to me, rotate, press down. So you ready? We're going to bring the leg into now. Come to me, press down, and return nice and tall. Do that one more time, okay? So you just finished. Okay, I'm going to finish and I'm deepening. Bring the leg in, rotate the palm. You back to that 5-chip point. You release arm to the side. So you're back to neutral because that's how you walk. Your arm side, not there. But when your preparation for the Wuji position, no extremity, right? It's for exercise when you do Qigong, Tai Chi Chuan, or sports. Okay, so that's it for today. And I say this all the time. All this needs to really in-person training. The video are great. I love to share all this, give you some idea how to really do Qigong properly instead of, image, right? So now your mind are so important, getting everything connect together. You got more purpose for this one body, one life of yours. So I'm going to see you next week and to finish up with the part 3. Thank you so much. Take good care. Keep practicing.